Dean Davison, live weather blogs.com meteorologist here. Overnight outlook. We're going to do a normal sized thing tonight. Nothing huge and exciting to talk about other than the Northeast. So the winter weather advisory is still in effect as this storm moves itself out. What a snowstorm in New Jersey. We're talking about 20 to 30 inches in some areas of New Jersey at this time. Very heavy snow, a lot of bandings, thunder snow even reported. And now in North Carolina, this is a lot because of the melting and refreezing. We have winter weather advisory there, blowing snow, and hard freeze warnings along the coastline. And back through here we have blizzard warnings in Idaho. We also have here winter storm warnings and winter storm watches out here. A couple feet of snow may be happening again in California. This storm, though, will move into the east. We'll show you that. But it will be a warm storm. We're talking about rain this time around. Temperatures around the area: 16 Bluefield, 19 Lewisburg, 25 Roanoke, 25 Lynchburg, 27 in Danville. Other stations not reporting at this hour. Okay, for the national temperatures: 41 Seattle, 31 Billings, 26 Salt Lake City, 32 Santa Fe, 58 Los Angeles, 40 Dallas, 36 New Orleans, 29 Atlanta, 21 Louisville, 33 Washington, 12 Chicago, so it's in the 20s in the greatest location in the nation, Cleveland, Ohio. I love when they used to say that. 20 degrees in Boston and 46, very cold, down in Miami. Warm-up's going to be occurring, though. The low you see is exiting Maine. We have some leftover northwest winds blowing over the lakes. The ones that are not frozen get some lake-effect snow and some storm moving into the west, causing wintry precipitation. The next cold front moves, and you can see we get this high pressure building here. It's going to get a southerly flow. So this actually may cause severe weather by Thursday time frame here in the Midwest, Texas, Oklahoma, Louisiana, and Arkansas eventually. As this front move marches into the Midwest, we got a southwest return flow to warm everybody up. It'll also give us the potential, when I get that warm up, before it comes crashing back down, for some severe weather. As we continue, you see that high pressure stays in for the Northeast, so it keeps it very dry. We get that return flow. The southwest winds coming around here right on the front. This is going to be an area that we project later in the week, possibly severe weather. Storm Control Center hasn't really hit on it yet, but I have looked at some models, and this area may be a situation we have to watch out for. Continuing on, you see this thing marches itself to the east, and this thing bombs out, but it doesn't bomb out over the ocean. It bombs out over here in parts of Maine, Canada, upper Minnesota, excuse me, and moves to the northeast, dragging that cold front. That cold front may be strong, may have showers and thunderstorms along with it. It depends on how strong it is when it gets to the east coast. As a high, 1024 high, pumps moisture and the heat. We're talking about temperatures in the 50s, possibly up for 60 by the end of the week, and we'll continue on to day 7 here. Another high pressure builds in. Little forecast: 18 overnight, 38 Tuesday, 42 on Wednesday. Then you get the possibility in the early morning of some mixture because of the cold air damming, but it'll bump 47 before the warm front moves through. And it's 52 Friday. Into the weekend, we're looking up towards 60, so it's going to be nice coming up here. And for the triad, winter weather advisory due to refreezing overnight. Be careful on the roads if you go out. 15 overnight, 40 Tuesday, 21 Tuesday night, 44 Wednesday, 48 Thursday, 54 Friday, and we're going towards 60 on Saturday. So beautiful times here ahead here in the Triad Roanoke area. Now warm air will creep up to the north, so Philadelphia, you may get into the 40s and 50s by the end of the week also. You also got to watch out for that for too quick of any quick runoff. Just hope we don't get any rainstorms, because that could make a big issue coming up towards the end of the week. Well, that's all for today and tonight. I'll have another one tomorrow. This is Dean D. Davison, liveweatherblogs.com. Thanks for staying with us with the storm. Stay with us for any of the weather that has over the next couple of days. For liveweatherblogs.com, this is meteorologist Dean Davison.